This is chicken of the woods, this here. It is edible, it's not the best. Let's just see. See that? It's pretty wet actually. Suppose you can eat it, we'll try it. It smells pretty mushroomy, we'll see what it's like. You know, I'm not keen on it. Anyway, let's move on. Okay. Got this, chicken of the woods back. It was pretty young. We're going to try cooking it. I ate one before, it wasn't so great, but it says you can eat the young ones are good to eat. So we're going to try that again, 30-40 minutes, and give it a go. And we'll chop it up, I think, because it's into some bits that are easy to get at. We'll see whether it's any good or not. It could be really good, Okay, let's see how we go with it. There it is there. Alright. So we've just found this out there. This is another one of these hen of the woods mushrooms. It could be a bit far gone, so it's a bit big. I'm going to chop off all this because I think this is just too tough on there. We'll get rid of that. This is the base. Really, I discovered that just the outsides are the best on there, which are softer. So I'm just going to slice this up here, and we'll see how that goes. It's still pretty moist, so that's pretty good. Let's just do it on this one here too. Just get rid of that, only the outside portion, which is nice and soft. So I'm just going to cut the outside parts because I think this is too tough and fibrous in here. I might cut a little bit more. We'll just see. We'll see. Okay, that and we'll see how we go with that. That might be too tough. And here's another bit. I'm just going to wash this first. There's a lot of dirt on that. To get rid of the dirt, right? This is a little trick. Okay, see that? Okay. Bit dirt in there. Okay, we'll cook that, but first I'll put that in a pot. Okay, I'm just going to cut an onion too because I want to put an onion into this. Put that onion in there. Okay, we'll just fry a bit of onion with this too, okay? And we'll chuck all that into there. Okay. And we'll fry that up, boil it away and fry it up. Okay, let's move on. Okay, that's just, I'm going to boil them first and get rid of the water, then fry them up like I did last time. Okay, we're going to boil these for 30 minutes in some salted water, and I've just removed all the scum on the surface too, as I've been. Okay, so I'm just frying up these mushrooms now with onions, some butter. They were cooked in salted water. That's it, really. See how they taste. Okay, that's the finished fry up there. There you go. Dirty Kitchen. Thanks for watching.